Hey, hope you're all doing fine. Welcome back. Thank you for tuning in. Today I'm going to share with you 10 cheap Christmas gift ideas everyone wants. Click on this red button here and also turn the bell on so that you don't miss out my next videos. The first one is a scarf. This is an excellent affordable gift that a friend would really appreciate. Let's get to number 2. A cute mug. You can't go wrong with a cute mug for a coffee or tea or hot chocolate. This makes a great inexpensive Christmas gift for a friend, a co-worker or a family member. Let's get to number 3. A candle. This is a unique gift that most people may not think to give it out as a gift, so this could make a perfect gift for a family or a friend. Number 4. A makeup brush set is going to be an ideal gift for a friend who loves makeup, and also if you have a colleague or even your sister can also be a friend. And look at this, it's so cute. Number 5. Kitchen tool. Sometimes we take long to replace our kitchen items, so giving your friend or even your mom or anyone who loves cooking any kitchen tool would be very appreciated. Number 6. A pair of nice socks. Good socks are a key to a good life, most people say, and sometimes if you have a friend, a male friend or a colleague or even your brother, anyone, your dad, you can give them a socks. Most people forget to replace socks. So a pair of nice socks or even a Christmas socks is going to make a great perfect gift. Number 7. Belt. If you have a male friend or even your dad or brother, this is going to be an ideal gift for them. Everyone put off buying a belt, and this is going to make a perfect gift. Number 8. Flower vase. This will be remembered forever. You know, flowers bring life, and once you give out a flower vase, they're obviously going to put in a flower in that vase and they're going to remember you. Number 9. Mini makeup bag. This is going to make a perfect gift for a friend, and this is super cute. And the last gift idea is cell phone ring holder. Most people have that one friend who is obsessed with their phones. This is going to make an ideal gift for those people who love their phones. They're with their phone every time. It's going to make it easier for them to watch their favorite movies or even YouTube videos, and also for taking selfies. Let me know if you have any idea in your mind, any idea gift in your mind that you would want to share with us. Please comment down below in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and I wish you happy holiday. Have a good one. Goodbye for now. Bye.